Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today's gonna be sort of a different vlog. We got a drop kit for my truck. We're gonna be installing it. Hopefully it doesn't take more than today. It's 4:05 and we're gonna get started. Here's my brother, he's gonna be helping me. Say hi.
Hi.
Here's the stuff. So we'll keep updating you as we do stuff. Okay, we're gonna get the grease gun and then we're gonna grease these up so they're nice and greasy. What are you doing?
Just putting on these grease fittings. Trying to prep everything.
We're prepping everything. We have everything laid out. We're gonna prep everything and yes. All right, guys. I think we're gonna be taking out the exhaust. He's a helper. His name is Mac. But we're gonna be taking the exhaust.
We need to get We need to get some jack stands and jack up the truck right now. So let's cut to it.
We're just examining everything, but we're gonna start up, guys. We took off the wheels, we took off the rims, we took everything off, and then on the little things. Here it is.
Y se me arrima, la plebe saben que me ve la harina. Que soy el bueno, ya se sabía. Pa' que preguntan si solo.
Alright, guys, here's the update. What did we take off?
We took off the U-bolts, the block, the shock. We're trying to take off the shackles now, but it's kind of being a pain in the butt.
This is how it looks like.
Yeah.
Teamwork. We're doing this. It's a lot, but. Okay, guys, now we're repeating the same process to what we did on that side to this side. Keep you guys updated once we're done. This is how she looks.
Me dicen a lucir, de peda me la llevo todo el fin. Un baby gira, los roles y se lo prendí. Aquella güera le gustó como le di.
Alright, guys, we did the same process as we did on that side. We took out everything. Now I think there's one bolt in the back that we have to take out. But we're gonna take a quick intermission and we're gonna go eat and do some other stuff before we continue on because we've been here for a while. We started at like 4:30 or 4. I think I said 4:05 and now it's like 6:30. But we haven't used any instructions and it's kind of been a long process, but we'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys, we're back. It wasn't too long, but we're gonna put in a time lapse so you guys can watch it with us, okay?
Suelita lo butín, guayu con oro en el porfirio es un festín. Mundo de rosa, la Barbie la desvestí. Para comerme lo que trabajo en el gym. Me dicen a lucir. Lo y las vacas, excesos y la fama. Me dicen a lucir. Lo y las vacas, excesos y la fama. 005 viejo, enterados y recibidos. Bien copiado, compa Sebas, compa Eugenio. Así suena la marca, registra. No sé qué pasó ayer, me pegué un pase y la peda conecté. Con dos güeronas en el Palace desperté. Ya le envié en toda mi feria, le aposté. Chali no hay mi Cheyenne, gorra de gallos, alucina si me cree. Gastando feria que jamás imaginé.
Alright, guys, as you saw, we were cutting down a bolt because it was super hard to get to, but we're gonna go to the store, see if they have it. Hopefully they do. We brought it, but I don't know where he left it. So we're gonna go buy that and then we'll see you guys later. Guys, we got the bolts. Where are the bolts? Right there. Now we're gonna go home. It's cold, we're tired. It's about 7:20.
We'll see you guys over there.
Alright, guys, we're back. We got some snacks. But we're gonna time lapse whatever we're gonna do next. I think we cut the bolts on this side as well, so we're gonna install it. We're gonna try to finish the back today and then finish the front hopefully tomorrow. I'll keep you guys updated.
Gastando feria que jamás imaginé. Y si está sucia, aquí la lavamos bien. Aló, sí. Me dicen aló, sí.
Lolo y las vacas,
Excesos y la fama. Aló, sí. Me dicen aló, sí. Lolo y las vacas. Excesos y la fama. Aló, sí. ¡Ea! Fierro colorado, viejo.
Alright guys, we're struggling a little bit because I'm holding this down, but they were putting on the shackles and everything. They put it into the hole over there. They put that, but everything is loose here. We're just putting that one on right, and then we're gonna put this one on. Alright guys, we put the shackles on the shocks. We struggled a bit, but here's this. We're just gonna finish tightening up some bolts and then putting the wheels on. Yeah. Here's the finished product, guys. Well, not the complete finished product, but there's the back. There's the back. Ah! What do you think? What do you think? What do you think?
Looks real good.
I'm gonna leave it. Yeah, just leaving it like that, guys. Just kidding. We'll be back in a little bit. Alright guys, here's the back. We're done with the first half. It is kind of low. But it's okay. We just have to drop the front tomorrow because it is 10. It is 10, I think it's like 10:30. So it is kind of late. But my brother, he likes it a lot, I guess. But I'm excited, I'm scared though. But we'll see each other tomorrow and continue this journey. Good morning guys, it is the next day. As you saw last night, we finished the back, we dropped the back. But now we put the jack on the front and we're gonna start working on the front. So we're gonna put it in a time lapse and we're gonna show you guys how it goes. We have a little bit of a mess here, but this is kind of like where we left all our tools, but we'll keep you guys updated.
ando con mi gente en la blindada y nadie me dice nada.
Alright guys, I took off the lug nuts and then took off the wheels. The wheels are right there, but keep in mind I'm doing this all by myself right now. My brother's not here, but the shocks, I just need to put I think they're called the jack stands over there. I need to put those in there. I'll put it in a time lapse just so you guys can keep watching along and see how we do this.
Nadie me dice nada, yo soy el que manda aquí.
Miro muchas caras asustadas, era mi lanzagranadas, me miro bien fucking shit.
Yo soy así, de lejos brilla mi bling bling. Me prendo un fili porque sí, las morras ponen GPI y solo sé
Que soy así, solas se montan en el jeep, pa' las unitas voy al fin, solo me voy a divertir y solo sé.
Alright guys, we're here. We're taking that off, the controller arm. We're getting to the same spot on this side. been a very long process, right, Tony?
Terrible. Hey, fucker.
Don't do this. Oh, the dog. Don't recommend it. Bye. All right, guys, I'm holding on to the knuckle. We took off the shock, and then we took off the controller arm. Now he's gonna bring some new parts. He's right there. The new control arm, and then we're gonna install it. And I'm holding this just because we don't want it to fall or be forced, but we'll keep you guys updated.
Ya se suena la marca registrada, compa Octavio Cuadras, viejo.
Y puros corridos felices, compa Fidel. Y que siga la magia, viejo. ¡Ay, ay, ay!
Traigo bien perdida la mirada y nadie me dice nada por el pase que me di.
Las morras piden tu sin lavada y el DJ nomás no para, pura influencia en el de 100,000.
Y soy así, yo soy el que
Alright, guys, we installed the upper arm control and then the lower one. We're gonna take that off, like I said in the past video. But I have to go somewhere, so my brother is gonna record as much as he can, and then I'll keep you guys updated and see you guys later.
All right, guys. Well, Maya left me alone, and I'm doing this by myself. So we got the lower control arm done. We put the strut. Getting these 3 bolts bolted in. It's a pretty simple process. It's just time consuming. So yeah, we should be done on this side here in about 15 minutes if everything goes smoothly, but it's a little complicated, something I've never done, but yeah.
Yo soy el que reparte el chis, para los negocios soy el king. Las vacas son de Benjamín y solo sé
Que soy así, 10 carros van atrás de mí. Al frente va la Wagon G. Me ven y dicen OMG, solo sé que soy así.
de lejos brilla mi bling bling. Me prendo un fili porque sí, las morras ponen GPI.
A few moments later.
Alright, guys, I just got back from where I was, but my brother finished off the truck and he finished doing just a little bit of touches. So here is the reveal. I'm gonna show you guys. Let me turn the camera around.
Trae dos con arriba del combo y las baby si el alcohol ya me pegué un jalón, pues se lo verga la mota en su entrepierna, medio sube de menta, quiere que se lo den la camioneta, quiere que se lo meta, prueba una moli y se calienta, se viene y ni la piensa.
Ando tras de ti, pues me gusta tu silueta. Traigo el colon torciado por si usted la metralleta. Bien artesanal es el que trae la camioneta. Un pase de lavada bien trabajada en la jeta. Hey.
Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. I know it was a very long process, but thank you guys for watching and coming along. I hope to see you guys next time, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.